Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is on this makeup look that I have going on right now. I did achieve this look using two palettes. I used the new Deck of Scarlet. If you're not familiar with Deck of Scarlet is a 2-month, every other month subscription for makeup. When you get the subscription, it costs you $29 and you do get an entire face palette. You get your 3 eyeshadow palettes across the top. You get your 2 face products. This time it's a blush and a highlight. And then you get your 2 lip products on the side, and it does have a mirror as well. Usually when they do their subscription, it is in collaboration with a YouTuber or makeup artist. This month, the artist is Roxette Arisa, so you can definitely check her out. So I used this palette, and then I also used another palette. This palette is from an Instagram boutique that makes makeup. It's called LUXEXO. I will leave a link to their website and to their Instagram. This is what the palette looks like. I didn't use any of the shimmers today. I wanted to create an all matte look, but I did use this peach shade and this warm brown shade in the palette. And everything else I will leave in the information bar down below, but the focus is definitely on these 2 palettes. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you like my head wrap, it is available on my clothing line, which is on Cara Streets, and I'll leave a link down there as well so you can check out the head wraps that I have available for you guys. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. liked the tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below. If you want to see any other looks with this palette, definitely let me know. I also received a Scentbird fragrance today. This Scentbird is the scent Altier Bloom. It does have a nice fresh flowery smell, but this is also a monthly subscription. You will get a new cartridge of perfume for your Scentbird and you keep the outside. This is really great because you can twist it up, spray it, twist it back down and throw it in your bag. So unlike regular perfumes where you're nervous like maybe it'll open up and spill all over my purse, this is really great. It doesn't do that. And then it also comes with a cute little velveteen package. Pouch, and you can just close it up and toss it in your bag. So yeah, you guys, let me know if you like this makeup look, and if you want to see more, definitely click that thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and yeah, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel so you don't miss a thing. Turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload, and make sure you're checking me out on all my social media at JessTheDragoness. I also have a new events page where I'll be doing events every other month. If you're in the DC area, make sure you subscribe to my newsletter, www.melaninclassic.com. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.